Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangle just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching. Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. We have a big announcement.
yay!
Woo! Confetti, 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 confetti.
I opened my mouth. I was about to talk. You were talking. I was just like,
we have created a family channel. I will put the link down below. Go and subscribe. So it is not hair related.
Wait. Link below or above?
The links are below.
Okay,
yes.
the link will be. Stop. The link will be below. Oh, sorry. The link. Wait. The link will be here, down below, or in the.
Can I just do this?
Box. Sorry about that.
Can I just tell
or
people?
In the description? You know what? We'll go off of what you said first. Go ahead.
So go and subscribe.
Yes.
It's going to be everything except hair. So we will not be doing hair tutorials on that channel. We will continue to do hair tutorials on TM Hair Products channel, but they have worn me down. They wanted to do a family channel. They wanted to vlog or to just kind of to show you guys what we do outside of hair, our conversations, our talks, our, you know, some of you guys enjoy my cooking videos. So those videos will be on this channel. I will not be doing any more cooking videos on the TM Hair Products channel. They will be, I said this channel. This is the TM Hair Products channel. So there will be no more cooking videos on the TM Hair Products channel.
Yes.
They will all be on the It's Just Us channel. I will have the link in the description. Go and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. It's going to be fun. You get to see another side of us outside of just the side profile of me parting hair, or you just see my arms or things like that. So you get to see another side of us. You get to see how we interact as a family. And you may get to see all of us at some point or another. So I just want to welcome you guys to our family in our house. It's just us. It's us. It's raw. It's unfiltered. It's just us. Yeah. So go and subscribe to that channel now. Hit the notification bell. By the time y'all see, I don't know if a video will be up by the time y'all see this. Dang. So go and subscribe because videos will be coming up very, very, very soon. It's going to be very fun, very informative. You get to see, like I said, you get to see another side of us. You can see the fun side, the goofy side, you know, of us. So please go and support that channel. It is called It's Just Us, and the link will be in the description down below. The description link.
Oh, so the description box.
Right.
Oh, it'll be in the description box down below. So like
where else is the description box?
You can always put the link on
that's
the thing.
Not in the description box.
Yeah.
That's not the description box.
I can be, but the description.
That's like the.
Okay, do you want a description box with a link on the top?
Oh.
Who said that?
Okay,
that wasn't me.
Give me a second. I'm going to regroup.
It's okay.
And I'm going to tell you guys where the link will be.
That? To be continued in the This Is Us video.
This almost got very different. I almost caught a case. So,
sorry about that.
I'm here.
The video, the channel, will be in the description box below.
Wait, hold on.
So
wait, okay, down below.
Right.
As in not on the screen, like down below.
No.
I get confused when people say that too.
Right.
I got y'all.
It's a box where you put the description of what your video is about and your links.
Yeah, but I just be like,
it's usually like, you know, down below.
Right. Right. That's why people say the description.
I be like, where's the link at? Like, and it's getting down below. I be like, where's that link? I can't see nothing. All right, but I ain't subscribed to that.
The link. And they keep saying,
it's down on the screen.
Down below. She clicking her computer screen.
Like, what's it doing?
Right. So, again, the link to that channel will be in the description box down below. Right. Yes. Got it?
Not on the screen. Got it. Yes.
So you can go subscribe.
Yes.
It's going to be
description down below. Down on the screen. So down where you can see it. You have to find it in the description down below.
It won't be hard to find because it'll be a link.
But
so you just click on it. So guys, subscribe to that channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified of all of our videos. So This is the foolishness that you'll get.
You get to see me more, the cuteness, the fire, the real queen.
Okay.
Of this,
See
So-
me. The funny one.
You get to see all of the family members at some point or another
Mhm.
in their natural habitats.
and their natural habitat.
Right. So hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell, leave us a comment. Let us know what you want us to do, like what you want to see, like if you like more girl talks. Sometimes I'll come on by myself.
Yawn. I'm just kidding.
I'll come on by myself and talk to you guys. Enlighten you, give you some of my wisdom.
If you want me by myself, I go by Bay. So you can say in the comments down below, oh, I want to say more of Bay.
Or
you can
me.
say that.
Pigs. P-I-G-Z.
No S.
She said
No S.
Z.
No
S.
S. Z.
But like in all real though, it's like if you want to see more of me, just say, oh, I want to say Bay because I'm all Bay. Ooh.
So hashtag Bay.
Ooh yeah,
Hashtag
hashtag
pigs too.
Hashtag it Bay if you want to see.
See how thirsty they are.
Hashtag
See
Bay.
how thirsty they
Hashtag
are.
pigs. With a Z.
Hashtag Bay if you want to see. Hashtag Bay, books on me, not them. Hashtag Bay if you want to see more of me, and I'll make it happen. You feel me? I got y'all. Hashtag pigs.
With a Z.
Ooh, do with a Z too. Like just be like hashtag pig. With
I'll do
Z.
some
Not S.
ASMRs like I did in the video.
Y'all.
They had enough.
Okay, really? They sleep already. Okay. So again, this is the foolishness that you will get. So subscribe. Subscribe. Sometimes you'll get serious. I won't say it'll be
Yes.
all foolishness, but sometimes you'll get serious. Sometimes you'll get enlightened.
Yes.
Sometimes you'll learn something new.
Mhm.
Sometimes you won't. My stomach. You hear my stomach growling?
I thought that was my stuff for a second.
Are you hungry?
My stomach is growling.
Well, never mind.
Okay, you guys, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Yeah, just go
Why
ahead and
not?
subscribe.
Just do it. Hashtag Bay.
Bye, guys.
Bay.
Bye.